Look, watch for bomb squads here. Look, look. Don't pick over walls, DPS. Look, they're trying to pull us in, okay? Iscalio ata. Look, come,
Iscalio
stay
nga.
northeast. Don't clump up like that. Look at them. Look, they're not clumping up. Look, that's fake. That's fake.
Naruchok. Fake again.
Wait again.
Yeah, spread, spread. Look, we're gonna wait. They're bigger than us, I think. What's their disarray? 11, and then we're just 7.
11.
Yeah.
Kaya to.
DPS, just be
Nag-iisa ako.
ready. Just be ready to like move out.
Okay, I'm back.
Wala akong pan-defense dyan sa engage nila. Dito muna ako.
Care.
Sa Gedli.
Okay, come back. That's fake. That's fake. Care, no, 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 no. Can we kidnap people?
Spirit Hunter.
Ready.
Tapos
Sipahin mo
ulit.
nga, Navi. Wait lang, Navi. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Puta ina, di ko naabot. Go back, guys. Go back. Care.
Ayun, yun.
Uy.
Okay. Putang ina, na-fake ako.
Fake tayo. Fake tayo.
Yun na.
Wala tayong defense. Wala tayong defense.
Putang ina.
Gago. Alam niyo na guys, yung fake nila
Tatakbay
with
naman
perma.
yung ano eh.
Perma fake yun.
Di ko kasi makita. Bad angle tayo dito. Guys, careful.
Ay,
Look,
naman
we're-
yung
Perma
ano.
fake guys, perma fake. Be careful.
Thanks,
Gago,
ready,
walang,
Magbabak-
walang mana yung ano mo.
Oo,
Yung
ready ako.
growth
Likod
mount.
ka na, Ninj. Pwesto ka na likod.
Care. They're looking.
We're
Spread.
in-
Look. Don't step in.
Sorry, strike ko, likuran talaga, ha? Pinakadulo. Tapos
Okay.
tatakbo.
Okay.
Oo, tama.
Ticket na,
So,
ano,
kailangan
ticket
mo
na
kailangan.
tunnel.
Dito. Likod kayo dito.
Punta ako dun.
Westwell ticket.
Chill out
tunnel.
with your manas, healers. Chill out with your manas. Wait. We're gonna absorb. Let them engage first.
Okay, mag-heal ng heal muna.
Fake again.
Nice cleanse.
Ay, yun.
Dito na ako, Orias, ha?
Baka
Yeah,
mag-long
yeah,
engage to guys
oo.
ha. Ingat.
Yeah. Care. Kidnap,
Ay,
Iscalio. Look. They're looking. Nice. Stop. Walk in. Walk in. Look, I'm gonna fake. Look. Keep walking. Yeah. Keep walking. Look at me. Shallow inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. It's up.
Nice.
And then come back. Yo, Jimby, putang ina. Come back. Go back. Nice. Yo, go back, please. Go back.
Engaging sila.
Walk in now. I'm on the back line.
Dito
Look,
na ako,
I'm on the
dito na
back line.
Lean,
Tanks, keep holding the choke. Walk in and brawl. Go deep. Yo, somebody heal me. Somebody ready, shallow inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Blow this up. And then full back. Def. Guard rune.
Guard na choke.
Gig. Nice Jay. You walk in again. Walk in deep. Walk in deep. Keep holding them. Ready. DPS, look at me. Full send. If you're low HP, it's okay. Ready inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us.
Nice.
And then brawl them. Walk in. Go southwest. Go to their backline. Boots. Go to the backline. Help me. Get off middle, boys. Nice GA. Look. If you die trigger. Come pass.
Lean.
Healers, come pass. Please. Ready inside. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now.
Nakanover
Inside
yung
us.
mga healer mo.
Nice.
Healers, come to me. Come back southwest.
Tumawid kayo.
Bumalik sila.
Healers, come to me.
Ang ina mo.
Jesus Christ, GG. Bro, you just fucked that up, bro.
Sayang.
Dapat tumakbo kayo sa ano.
Ba't ayaw nyo mag-pass? What the fuck?
Katabi ko
Oh
na
my
si Orias sa backline.